This right here, this right here, it means we're about to go into some lucrative business, baby. You basically tuned in because you are curious or have already started a 360 photo booth rental business. And let me tell you, this is a perfect time because everybody wants to just forget about the damn corona and wants to party, wants to build new memories with friends and loved ones. So let's go ahead and get started. On this video here, I'm introducing myself to you guys. My name is David. I'm in my 30s. I live here in California. I've launched multiple business. Some did well, some did great. Some are like, just kind of like floating around. I really don't spend no more time and energy and effort into it because to me, it's just not worth it. So I've been thinking about, what if we opened a 360 photo booth rental business? But on top of that, what if we took everyone on the journey with us? And I'm talking about from 0 followers, 0 subscribers on YouTube, 0 followers on Instagram, 0 followers on Facebook, 0 followers on TikTok, and we just build something from nothing. And that would be something that I think would be a huge value to pretty much anyone who wants to start a journey in the entrepreneurship world. Because I think that taking a business that's generating $0 to a business that generates at least $6,000 or more a month without having to work over 40 hours a month is something that we should all strive for. So on this channel, we're gonna go from finding suppliers for your photo booth rental business, from making a free website, designing a logo for your business. We're also going to be covering marketing and advertisement. We're going to do all these steps together to a point where we get our very first booking, which is going to be a win for the whole community, because that first booking is going to equal experience dealing with the client, how to deal with the client, the scenario, every situation, which is going to be crazy because this channel here, this series, we're going to share all of the ups and downs. We're going to F up and we're going to have victories and we're going to share them all. So I hope you guys subscribe. In fact, you should, and hit the bell notification so that when I put up new videos, you can jump right on it and watch them while you're having a bowl of cereal, taking a douche somewhere, preferably in the restroom. But I'll see you guys on the next video, and welcome. Talk to you guys soon. Peace out.